Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to use the alphabet sprig mold to create words. So let's jump right in. I've already rolled out a small slab of clay that's approximately a 1/4 inch thick. I'll go ahead and cut out square pieces that are about the size of the letter I want to use. Now, as you can see here, I've got my cornstarch set aside, and I want to apply a fairly generous amount to the smooth side of the clay. I used a soft red mud tools rib to smooth one side of the clay, and I left the other side untouched, and it still has the canvas texture on it from sending it through my slab roller. Turn over the piece of clay with the cornstarch side down and press into the mold over the letter you want. Press gently and firmly and try to keep it from sticking to your hands or fingers until you're ready to remove it from the mold. I'm pressing with my fingers to make sure I get a good and even impression. Now, once I have a good impression, I simply pick up the clay at the edge and it releases very easily from the mold. So I like to trim the letters right up to their edges, but here is where you can use your creativity in how you trim them. All I'm using here is a pen tool to cut through the clay. Now that all of your letters are trimmed, you can add them to your piece using the slip and score method. Have fun creating!